You didn't drop it, did you, Belle? You okay, Belle? What? Bella, I don't have money for it, baby. I might have a quarter. Come here. Bella. What in the world? Belle! Bella, do you want a quarter? Come on, get up off that ground because we gotta go to the hospital. I want you being dirty. Come here. Come here. Come here. You want a quarter? No? Come here. I got one in the stroller.
What?
I got one in the stroller, baby girl. Let me take one more picture. You should see this one. This one's really cool, Belle.